Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make some yellow rice. As you can see, I put 2 cups of rice, and I diced me up a pepper, 2 peppers actually. It was yellow and red, and I diced me up 1 tomato. And of course, I'm going to go in with my all-purpose seasoning. I have the big bulk one, but you go on my website and buy it. And then you're going to put a tablespoon and a half of turmeric in there. Give it a good stir. Put some butter in there, and then you're going to put you some boiling hot water. Give it a good stir. Then you're going to put it in the oven on 375. I'm telling you, this is real easy. And voila, this is how it comes out. Your own yellow rice. Fluffy, yellow, just like it is with the store-bought kind. But you can make your own. Make sure you go out and purchase my all-purpose seasoning that comes in spicy and regular from Talessia'sKitchen.com. Thank you for tuning in with me as I showed you how to cook homemade yellow rice.